Kun fam, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into the delicious adventure with the mouth-watering recipe Chicken Chow. Let's get started. First up, the chicken marination. In a mixing bowl, combine chicken strips, soy sauce, chili sauce, black pepper powder, salt, corn flour, and an egg. Let it marinate for at least 15 minutes. While that's soaking up the flavors, time to transform these veggies into culinary art with a julienne cut. Take red capsicum, it's optional, green capsicum, cabbage, carrot, green onion leaves, and onion. And wait, if you're enjoying this recipe and haven't subscribed yet, so hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to join our culinary journey. Now on to the magical sauce. In a bowl, mix ketchup, oyster sauce, soy sauce, chili sauce, white vinegar, white pepper powder, black pepper powder, sugar, salt, chicken powder, sesame oil to enhance the flavor, and a dash of water. Set it aside for later use. Now for the spaghetti, take water as per your preference or follow the instructions on the packet. Add salt and oil and bring it to a boil. Add the spaghetti to the boiling water and cook until it's 80% done. Then strain and give it a good rinse. Back to the marinated chicken, fry these strips on a medium heat. Here we are using approximately half cup of oil. Fry them until they turn a glorious golden brown. Reduce the oil, leave about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Now saute a tablespoon of freshly chopped garlic. Toss in all the veggies. Add fried chicken strips, the magical sauce, and boiled noodles. Mix them up. Kitchen is now a symphony of aroma. Oops, I almost forgot. Don't forget to add those green onion leaves for that extra burst of flavor. And there you have it, a plate full of delicious and mouth-watering chow mein. Trust me, it's the best. Give it a try and let us know in the comments how it turned out. Thanks for joining us in the kitchen today. If you loved this recipe, give it a thumbs up, share it with your family and friends. Don't forget to comment below. Your feedback means the world to us. Until next video, keep cooking, keep smiling.